Okay, today I got the titanium 90 RK50. Show you. Has a big shroud on it. It is key retaining. It is locked up. Here's the key. Five pins, and let's go for it. These are full of spool pins, usually only and always the first one is the gatekeeper. There it is, the first one's up. Second one wants to go. Will it? Oh, let's go, move on. Fifth one, locked in. Go right to the back. 6. The hard part is just getting under these. I'm using a European hook, so it's like super bendy. See if our first one fell down. Good. There it is. It was 4, I think. Number 5 wants to go. Yep, looks like it's never. And it's open. Look at that. So that wasn't too hard. I did use the super bendy one. I don't know. I don't have my micrometer dial caliper to measure it, but it's the super bendy one. So yeah, now it is locked in place, so it is key retaining. And is that a star? Let's take it apart. Oh, need a bigger one. Oh, here we go. See if we can do this properly this time. I used to do them in 2 parts, but now I've been rushing to put it into one video. Maybe that's the problem. There we go. There's a little, that's not a very big screw. No Z bar for the key retaining. It must be this inside here. That looks like a screw head. That must be what is key retaining. So just gotta take this off of here. It'll come off when the clip comes off, I guess. Let's lock it back up so we don't have any problems like we did last time. There we go. Okay. C-clip. The famous Abe's bar. Key. Then you have to push this little button in. And then you can turn the core. And there's this little slot here, so you don't want to get a pin stuck in there either. That's horrible. Let's see if we got one here. Looks perfect though. Is it? Yep. Alright. Take these out here. Hole number 1. So this is number 1. Standard. Standard. Tick. Standard. 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 And there is room for 6 pins, so I guess what I usually do to make it harder is I put a pin on the very end. So if you put it in there, and then you just put another pin on the very end, and then it makes it harder. Anyways, so you'll get your money's worth, I guess. Alright. I'll just pull them out here on the side. Pin number 1. Ooh, a little serrated. Never seen that before. There is tiny 2 serrations. That's it though. And then I'm going to guess the rest are these deep spools. Focus. So yep, spool, spool, spew, and spool. All right. I'll take one spring out because the rest will be the same. It's just a regular spring. Get those mixed up with my wafer lock I'm having trouble with and reinstalling. Well, here's the pins. Don't drop them. Alright, thanks for watching.